Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we have right here with me at the Southport Yacht Club. This is the late Steve Jobs designed yacht. 120 million United States dollars. In today's currency, it's probably worth $250 million right now. It takes 12 million a year to maintain. This is the sleek super yacht right here in Southport Yacht Club. Now, Southport Yacht Club is known for having some fancy yachts right here. Clive Palmer's yacht, just over there. He's a billionaire Australian. And previously we had Google's founder's yacht. Now we got the late Steve Jobs' yacht. Just want to show you the design of this. It is an aluminium hull. So all of these boat people, they talk to the dealers, they say fiberglass is the best. Well, apparently aluminium for big super yachts is the way to go. Now it weighs over 1 million kilograms, 1.5 million kilograms. It's powered by 2 Rolls-Royce diesel engines. And let's just appreciate the view. You got look, chrome finish, everything's all reflective right there. You can right there, sleek chrome mirror finish on the front. Nice, beautiful windows right there. Just take a moment to appreciate. Got nice, beautiful open windows. I'll tell you what, I'll take you in a bit closer. We'll get some nice views. Let's go. Take a look at how large those ropes up just to tie the boat down to make sure it doesn't float away. That big, what is that side anchor over there? It must take a lot of electricity, this beast.
This is a sheer opulent boat. It is 256 feet long. Yes, that is massive. As Ash said, it costs $120 million to build, and the running costs are $12 million per year. It has 6 bedrooms. It has 6 bedrooms and can sleep up to 12 guests. And not only that, its unique glass walls were designed specifically for installing 8-foot high windows at the hull of the boat. Amazing. And one thing about the windows, it is actually 6 centimeters thick. That's thick.
So as you can see right there, it's a fly bridge, and that looks like a CPU heatsink from the Mac Pro. Look at that, made in 2012. They knew that the Mac Pro redesign was coming right there. Look at that CPU heatsink right there. That's the cool inside. You got 27-inch IMAX. And also, these pot window lights looks very Apple-esque. Can you see the colors? Looks very classic Mac-esque.
So this boat was actually designed by Jobs and designer Philip Stark himself, and it started off with a simple phone call that Jobs said, would you like to make a boat? And Stark said, well, sure. And from then on, these two created this massive super yacht that we can see behind us. How incredible.
Around the back here, this is where you're going to enter the boat. So it's got a step ladder there for you to make sure you have easy access going inside. Then I guess there's more stairs. I don't know. Not sure if it's wheelchair accessible. I assume it might be because it's a massive boat. How could it not be? It's carrying, look at that, the Australian naval flags right there. That right, Sophia? Now what we want to know is how fast it goes.
Well, it has a top speed of 20.5 knots and a cruising speed of 18 knots. Don't think you can go far with that one.
One thing it lacks, and I guess Cristiano Ronaldo will be very upset with this, with his yachting experience, it doesn't have a swim platform. So I assume that big fella must open up and you'll get tender out of that. But if you want to just stick your legs out for a little nibble on the ocean, fly out a jet ski, yeah, you're going to be struggling.
I think that just goes down, you know. I reckon it goes down because it looks like there's a cutout for it to...
Of course, it must go down. It is a Steve Jobs inspired super yacht. And look at it, the lighting on the rails. That's pretty fancy. Like something to notice actually, the amount, you can actually see the bulbs on the LEDs on the rails, whereas on the back they're actually using the bars, LED bars. So maybe it did have a refit in 2015 in Monaco, so a little bit of improvements happened there, but I guess it's now, what's it, 9 years behind the tech right there. So if you're interested in this one, it's called the Venus, made in Georgetown, right there. I don't think it's for sale, and I don't think you can afford the maintenance. But, you know, it's something to admire. Southport Yacht Club in the Gold Coast.
So let us know what you guys think of this massive, sleek, silver, gorgeous super yacht that was designed by the late Steve Jobs that is here in the Southport Yacht Club. See you on the next one.
Hey, look at us. Look at us. I don't know if you can see us. All right, we officially made it part of a super yacht. We're framed. We're like in Superman. Do you know when we get frozen in the mirror?